What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to use the plan mode in the Claude Code. So for that, the process is very simple, easy and to the point. First, like the subscribe button. Yeah, do it right now, and then like it and then drop a comment. Now we're back at the video. Just press shift and then tab once, twice, and you see that we're in the plan mode. Now what it will do, now that we are in the plan mode, the Claude cannot implement any changes unless we explicitly shift and then press tab again to take it to the auto mode or the manual mode. Without our permission, it won't be able to implement any changes in the code, or whether a design or whether anything else. Now let's get back to the plan mode. We are back at the plan mode. So yeah, let's plan on making a Wi-Fi radar that can scan the heartbeat of humans, which it will reflect back. I know it's a complex idea, but that comes to my mind just now while making this video, and I wanted to ask the Claude about it. So now what it will do, it will go ahead and start planning about it. So first thing that I missed out is on effort. The effort that we are using is a medium that it's not going to help us in the long run. So we want a better effort, but this is how you guys can use a plan mode. Thirdly, whenever you plan, always use Obsidian. Obsidian is kind of a tool which will make sure your documentation is very good. And if you're working inside of an organization which keeps track of everything, how everything is managing, how everything is connected, the Obsidian is the kind of software that you guys want to have in your system. Over here you will see that this is Obsidian that I'm using at the moment, and it looks super good while everything is intact. And this is another program that I've been working on. So this is, you guys can see that everything is trackable, the general, the phases, everything inside of it. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.